Alrighty, everybody, we got another new video. We're going to open up 2 hanger boxes of Topps 2023 Series 1. These were the last 2 boxes at Walmart. Let's see what the other people left behind. I hope I didn't cut too deep right there. Investigate that right away. Whew, I missed it. Wow, that's a close call. Won't be doing that again. All right, can we get something crazy? I don't think they should put cards in bags. I feel like it really damages those corners. All right, here we go. Looking for Adley Rutschman, looking for Shohei Ohtani, looking for Golden Mirror image variations, looking for autos, looking for relics, looking for serial numbered cards. Anything out of the usual. Maybe something really rare. It looks like we got a royal blue coming up. Here we got a rookie Derek Hall. Nice. It's a Kyle Stowers. I was just thinking about announcing his name. Royal blue, we'll take that. We like rookie parallels. There's a rookie Nolan Gorman. And doesn't look like we're going to find anything in here. Rookie Betts. I guess the best we could do at this point is an Adley Rutschman, Shohei Ohtani. Some nice vibrant colors. Future Stars, O'Neal Cruz to end that pack. All right, let's see if this one's any better. Just shipped out 40 pounds of Topps 2023 to somebody on eBay today. Big order. Shohei Ohtani, we like that. It's the best card maybe in the video. Maybe the rookie card. And are you kidding? We got an Atlanta Braves rainbow foil. That's no good. And 2 dud boxes in a row. No numbered cards, no relics, no autos. We pulled 1 Shohei Ohtani. Alrighty, not good. That's going to do it. Thanks for watching.